But more importantly, it allows you to add plates to grip it with the handles and to use the foam pad to protect your forehead and thus train your neck in a very comfortable, good way. So training neck is something that everybody should do, whether it's for aesthetics or good posture or to protect your cervical spine when you happen to be in an accident. I hope you won't. Before, if you wanted to train neck with some serious weight, you had to either buy a neck harness and tinker with that, or you had to suffer a lot. This is all in the past now with the Easy Neck from Kensui, and this product is really awesome. It's compact, it fits in your gym bag or on your pegboard like I have right now. Boom. So this thing was gifted to me by Kensui and I'm very grateful for that. I would have bought it nonetheless because I see so much value into this product. So let's dive into how it can serve you. The design is very simple, easy almost. See what I did there? So we have knurled handles, slightly knurled, so just a comfortable grip. We have a sleeve that allows you to change plates. And as I said, you have a foam pad that makes sure that you can protect your head. So the neck is a posture muscle, so it's important that we train it that way. It's made for endurance. So I want you to do repetitions from 20 to 50 reps per set. That's a lot of repetitions. If you go for 1 rep maxes, you might hurt your cervical spine and we don't want that. Now, it's great to start neck training just without any weights. You can just do it with the weight of your head. This will get you already far with a lot of range of motion and a lot of reps. But if you want to go the extra mile, you want to add weight to your head in order to train better. Now, before you did that, as I already said, with a harness, or you could use a beanie or a pad like this. And that is very, very annoying because you have to tinker around getting that pad underneath the plate and you always end up hurting yourself. Basically, I worked up with a 2-plate curl with this thing. It let me stick to curls because all the other exercises like side raises or extensions were out of the question. So using the Easy Neck for neck curls, I saw that having the handles close to each other gave me a lot more control over the weight, so I could focus more on the exercise rather than just holding the plates, because if you're gripping them at the edge of the plate, that could be really difficult. With the Easy Neck, that's very easy to hold. Even more so, I can hold the Easy Neck against my head. It allows me to get more leverage because it's further away from my neck, so the weight will be perceived as heavier. But an added bonus is that we can do isometric movements. So you can do your neck circles, or you can also do just some side-to-side motion. Now, as I mentioned, it's not only about neck curls. Neck curls train the front here, but what you also want to train is the sides, and that is done with the neck side raises. And the great advantage of having a handle is that you can just hold a handle in one hand and you can move from side to side like this, and this will give you great leverage to just train one side at a time. Neck extensions also follow the same ease of use. What I recommend is you put the plate onto the Easy Neck and you put the Easy Neck in front of your bench, you go and set yourself up, and then you throw the Easy Neck on the back of your head and you can do neck extensions. Great to train your upper traps, but also the extensor muscles of your neck. And I really like this one, especially for posture. This gives me some very good relief that I didn't know I needed. And now let's compare the two versions of the Easy Neck. So you have the Max and the Pro version. Both are great, they do exactly the same thing. The only difference is the weight capacity and the material they're made out of. So the Pro is made out of a nylon fiberglass material and has a rating up to 100 pounds or 45 kilograms. While the Max version is made out of an aluminum alloy and is rated up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms of a weight capacity. So the Pro costs 49 euros, where the Max cost 129 euros. The Pro has a 20 millimeter Velcro pad, where the Max has a 25 millimeter thick pad, and that is just pressure fit in. Personally, I'm more a fan of the pressure fit. Pressure fit seems better because it's less material and it's just easier to use. On the other hand, the Pro feels a lot more smoother in the sleeve threads, so that goes very smooth, versus the Max is a little bit more rough, but that's probably because it's very finely machined and that just has to wear down a little bit over time. The Max has a thread that goes all the way down, so that allows you to pick any of the smallest weights that you have and use that, where the Pro version, I see for my plates, I can only start from 3.75 kilograms and I have to go up from there. I can't just do 1.25, which in my opinion is not so big of a deal because a neck is, as I said, an endurance muscle. If you're doing already 50 repetitions without a weight, jumping from there to 5 kilograms with 20 repetitions with weight, no big deal. It's not a big jump. You can definitely start with the Pro. So most people will do great on the Pro version. If you're more serious, if you want to go for that 4-plate neck curl, maybe then you should go with the Max version. But the way I see it, both are very well built. Even the nylon fiberglass plastic is going to last a very long time. It just looks robust and strong, and I think this will also last you. But I'm also a fan of the aluminum version. It looks very slick. It's a little bit heavier, but that doesn't really matter. It's really up to you. If you're a martial artist, you're serious about training your neck and you want to go up very strongly, I recommend the Max for you. But if you're just a gym bro that doesn't want a pencil neck, that wants to do the occasional neck curl and neck extension, I really recommend just the Pro version. So yeah, that is really my 2 cents. Thank you again to Kensui for providing these products to me. I really wanted to have them because I think there's great value in them. And also thank you to you for checking out this video, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this product. And if you have any more questions about the product, I'm also happy to discuss in the comment section below. So yeah, I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out!